Republic of Ghana, Excellencies, the former President of the Republic, Uncle Kofi, the Right Honorable Prime Minister of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, my dear brother, thank you, and representatives of brother monarchs and heads of states here, members of the diplomatic corps, present, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Nananum. The culture of Asante requires that we receive our guests with braccio to soothe our hearts before we engage on any activities. Tonight, it is not just a duty to provide the traditional braccio, it is an honor for us to have the opportunity to break bread with such a glittering company. We are honored to receive the President of the Republic and the Vice President, our elder statesman, Uncle John Ajikunkufor, and it is a real honor to welcome back to Menchia the Prime Minister of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, who stands today as a symbol of the restored unity of the new African heritage. Right Honorable Dr. Keith Christopher Roller, I thank you very much for journeying all the way to this place today. This is not reciprocating what my visit to you, because now you've done it twice, so I also have to do it twice then. Many have journeyed thousands of miles to be here. Delegations from the Republic of Morocco are here. But a delegation from Ivory Coast, led by the foreign minister who came to see me. Niger, I know they are here to see me. I know that Anglo-God Ashanti flew all the way down today to come and see me. The delegation is here. And there are so many of you who've journeyed all the way to come here just to be present here, to enjoy, to have this break bread with us tonight. I thank you all very much in a deep sense of gratitude. We like to think that they have made these journeys because of the respect they have for what we are and what we stand for. In the affairs of nations, as an interpersonal relations, respect is not conferred. It is earned. So it gives us a sense of pride to think that our journey over the last quarter of a century has earned the respect that has brought us together tonight. I do not speak of our guests from foreign lands alone. Most have journeyed from every corner of our country. Your presence testifies our shared values and the unbreakable bonds that now tie us together as a nation. Sometimes I marvel at what our culture offers us and wonder why we fail to appreciate fully what it means to us. Along our journey of the last quarter century, I have tried to assure the world that Ghana's democracy is safe as long as it works in harmony with our traditions. This is not just for the symbolism. It underscores the enduring respect for our culture and its capacity to subsume personal interest to the common good. Tonight, in commemoration of our Silver Jubilee and before this global audience, I pray that the wine we serve and the bread we break be unto each of us the wine of peace and the bread from which we derive abundant grace in the years to come. I thank you very much for being here tonight.